Our organization, CRB, is we do a lot of pharmaceutical and biotechnology, clean tech facility design and construction, and it's about a 1,000-person firm, and we have now over a dozen offices in the U.S., Puerto Rico, and we're now in Europe, in Basel, Switzerland, and Stuttgart, Germany. So we've grown quite a bit in the last few years, and our use of P&ID has also grown. We started using PlantTools simply because as great of a foundation as AutoCAD P&ID and Plant 3D is for P&ID generation, it's simply limited in many ways for more specialized uses, and we wanted to add levels of automation and specialization into the program that we just simply couldn't do with the out-of-the-box software. PlantTools have many benefits for us. Mainly, we can increase our level of automation in using the software, and we can reduce the level of user input that's needed, so we can reduce human error, data entry. We can automate certain workflows, really just improve the overall delivery of our documents. Our plans right now for AutoCAD P&ID within our company, CRB, is right now we're mid-rollout corporately of the software across the whole company. And this year we've had an acceleration of that, and we've had our first project in our Basel, Switzerland office begin to use AutoCAD P&ID on a couple projects out there. And we're now expanding also into Puerto Rico. Our users down there will be using it for projects. So, but all across the U.S. right now, we've rolled out to every office. So we're as a company more or less using it company-wide, with just a few exceptions that we still have to roll out to. With using PlantTools, we've achieved a significant amount of not only time but cost on the budget of the project. Every project we implement P&ID with PlantTools, we save dozens of hours alone in just our workflow enhancements and improvements that PlantTools have allowed us to streamline those workflows. So in between data exchange, data manipulation, up to the design documents, I don't have an exact number, but I know that it's felt far and wide amongst the project team in that respect. The collaboration between CADSTUDIO and CRB is really better than I could expect. It's ongoing, it's continuous, it's active. I'm constantly in touch with the product manager, and we come up with solutions almost daily or weekly, and you know, it's almost more ideas than we could possibly achieve in a limited amount of time. Really, I could say that we wouldn't be using AutoCAD P&ID today without the use of PlantTools coupled with AutoCAD P&ID and Plant 3D. It's a great foundation for P&ID design, but in order to really have it meet all of our requirements as a company, we must have PlantTools to get all of the data and benefits that we need.